Ramp it up, fix it up. That's a nice rhythm, right? Ramp it up, fix it up.
Build ramps in schools, fix the health centers. For the young and for the elders. Paint the fence, make the place enhance. Access for all to every entrance. Island wide is an island wide. We have ramp it up, island wide.
Ramp it up, fix it up. The theme for Labor Day 2018 stemmed from a motion brought to the Upper House by Opposition Senator Dr. Floyd Morris in March, calling on the government to use this year's Labor Day to improve access to educational institutions for the physically challenged. Health centers and schools will benefit from general beautification and upgrading works and outfitted with ramps and other features to make them more accessible and user-friendly for physically challenged persons.
We're trying to make access to health centers and to educational institutions easier for our fellow Jamaicans who are physically challenged, and of course to improve on the quality of health service that we provide to our people.
When we did our audit, we had in many instances over 8 schools in many of our constituencies that were accessible to the disabled communities. But we still need to ramp it up, to put more ramps and rails, and again the retrofitting of our bathroom facilities. And so we are very proud and very happy to be part of this project this year. We've committed in our capital budget $30 million to ensure that we cover as many of the additional schools.
In order to meet the target, the installation of ramps will go beyond Labor Day through the Ramps for Schools project. The project will also allow for increased inclusion of the community and raise the awareness for the challenges faced by students with special needs.
A similar approach is being taken with our health centers, and we are partnering with our parish councils in this regard.
Under the Health Ministry's Adopt a Clinic initiative, upgrading works will continue beyond May 23. The scope of work is not limited to these institutions, however. Jamaicans are being encouraged to clean up their communities to make their surroundings more pleasant and welcoming for all citizens.
Labor Day is used by communities island-wide to engage in developmental activities, including physical enhancement, fostering of a spirit of volunteerism, and promoting social cohesion through improved community planning.
The Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport is spearheading the coordination of Labor Day activities and has partnered with the Ministries of Education, Youth and Information, Health, Local Government and Community Development, and Labor and Social Security. The St. Anne's Bay Infant School in St. Anne and Cumberland Health Centre in St. Catherine are the national projects for Labor Day. And across the country,
this Labor Day, let's volunteer to build ramps in schools everywhere. The healthcare centers that we share, fix up the place and show we care. Access for all, don't fall, for patients, doctors, nurses and all. The young and the old, the big and the small. Fix up the fences, paint up the wall. This Labor Day, make a volunteer to ramp it up, fix it up, you know.